Facilities management is a critical part of running any modern business. One of the biggest challenges for facilities managers is staying on top of a wide range of responsibilities. From maintaining the physical building to coordinating services and managing contracts and vendors, there's always something to be done. Another challenge is handling unexpected issues and emergencies, such as a broken water pipe or a power outage. Facilities managers need to be able to respond quickly and effectively to keep the business running smoothly. That's where ProV's solution comes in. Dozens of industries, such as HVAC, pest control, sanitation, waste management, and cleaning services, rely on our solution to keep their facilities running smoothly. Our solution is designed to be one-size-fits-all. It can adapt to the specific needs of any organization, no matter what industry they're in. ProV's solution is a cloud-based platform that helps facilities managers streamline and automate their workflows. Powered by ServiceNow, you can easily track and resolve issues, request and schedule maintenance, and manage contracts and vendors all in one place. With our solution, you can easily improve the customer and employee experience with workplace management, allow facility managers to track and plan asset inventories through enterprise asset management, and also plan or trace the maintenances of their assets and assign the right person at the right time to do the job with field service management. Our solution also provides powerful reporting and analytics tools so you can get a real-time view of your facilities and services. Whether you're in the office or out in the field, you can access all the features and information you need to keep your facilities running smoothly. With ProV's solution, facilities management becomes more efficient and effective, so you can focus on what matters most, keeping your business running at its best. If you would like to see a free demo of this solution, contact us today.